So welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, fellow builders. I hope you've enjoyed these last couple videos of Hold and Run, but today we are back in California. We've been back for about 2 weeks, but whatever. But today we are going drag racing. Now this is the first time since we've stripped the cat out of this. I didn't get any video of it. It was kind of last minute, kind of rushed to do it, me and a couple buddies from work. But we got this car running better than it probably has since we've gotten the car. So we're gonna get both cars cleaned up, take them out to Willow Springs and do some drag racing. All right, so we got the cars cleaned up. That one I must just sprayed off because it had a wax recently. I didn't want to like strip the wax off with the soap. But we got this one mostly washed. It's a little spotty and water spots in some areas, but it's all right. And then we also got this. We mounted a fire extinguisher in Kayla's car within easy reach of the driver's seat or the passenger seat. And it doesn't interfere with the passenger at all. It's mounted securely to the tunnel there, not going anywhere. And as shown before, I have a fire extinguisher in my car as well. It's in the trunk, probably not the best place, but at least I have one. So, all right, so a couple hours till drag racing. So here we go.
Alright, so I hope you guys can hear me okay. So we're in line for our first run here at drag racing here at Willow Springs. I think they said this is the last night event. And Kayla's already gone once. I was trying to get some pictures and maybe a video of her. I missed her run though, but maybe we'll get the next run. But she ran a 12.8. So we have done nothing since the last time she came drag racing with her Subaru except remove the cat. We might have actually, I don't know if she's been with the turbo inlet yet. I can't remember if she's gone drag racing with the turbo inlet, but she's at least doesn't have that cat anymore. And she ran a 12.8, which I think is 3 or 4 tenths faster than she ever has before. And she's really happy, you know, that's improvement in her car, so that's pretty good.
Okay, left lane won that last race, 9.864, 102 miles an hour as they crossed the traps. Right lane pulled a 12.021. Are you okay, Eden? Tell everyone you're okay. Oh, she hurt her knee, got a boo-boo. Number 14, waiting as we speak, Kayla Berg. In her Subaru Legacy poles. 13.099, 79 miles an hour, she crossed the traps. Right lane pulled a 13.428.
Trying to get the HP tuners to pair with my phone. I don't know if it'll pair with the GoPro and my phone at the same time. But GoPro's through Wi-Fi, so I don't see why I wouldn't.
Going up in NS6, I see.
Yeah, I guess. There we go. That it paired, I guess. Just waiting on the GPS. faster than him, but he red lit, so technically we won. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we can't just wreck him off the line, maybe. Just get out in front. Oops. Sorry, dude. Is he gonna catch up? Oh no, he's gonna catch up! Oh man, he bogged hard off the line. Dang, I was hoping to get away from him. What the heck was that? Ah, it's alright. Shoot, I think I might have lost my other time slip. Ah. Good race though. Oh, there's a lot of cars in that line. Alright, so we ran a 0.184 reaction time, which again is not bad. 84 miles an hour, so it was faster than last time. Alright, so I got my phone hooked up now to the GPS, or to the car, the OBD, the HP tuner dongle. It actually says our temp is high. I don't know why. I don't know if that's a built-in. Oh, I guess the alert is just whatever it's set to. It's set to 226, or 220. I don't think that's that bad above 220. I think 230 is probably, we should start worrying, but we'll keep an eye on it, I guess. Looks like he was gonna go around the track. That felt pretty good.
Kayla's got to race that Ford Flex again that she's not happy about. But yeah, it's been a good night, a little chilly out, and I ran like 6 passes. I think she's
the race right after white light.
Copy. Maybe she's not racing. Anyways, she's on like her 7th or 8th run, but you know, it's been a good night, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy these last couple runs, and until next time, just keep building. She had a 0.1 reaction time. She beat that Civic again. 12.8 versus 13.3 at 81. She's getting them. She's getting them down low. There she goes. What'd she get? It's like 12.53. Oh, I think she just tied the fastest time ever in the Caprice. Oh my God. I wonder if she didn't look at her time yet. She just looked at her slip. What's wrong?
You'll never guess what I ran.
Oh, I know what you ran. I saw it on the board.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Want to race again?